Hello, my name is Cass, and it's my sister's birthday today. Yay! I'm so happy and excited to be what's gonna happen. Yay! Happy birthday to you, Emma. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Do-do-do. Do-do-do. Happy birthday, yeah! Sorry, I have to do this. Usually comes up if I do this. Hello, my name is Cass. Miss Emma's birthday today. I'm happy about it. Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. Woo, we're so happy about it's her birthday. This is a vlog. Yummy.
Don't touch any of these now until...
I know.
I hope that we put some ice on.
Happy birthday!
Yeah!
They look funny. No. I'm Jordan. I never remember your name. I'm Sierra. And where's Bethany? Where's Bethany? Where's Bethany Fish? Where's Bethany Fish? Wait, that's Bethany. Where's Jordan Fish? Jordan? I know where he is. Where? Jordan? Jordan's gone. Where's my fish? Where's my fish?
Oh, there he is.
What? Oh, there he is.
He just got behind there.
Oh. It's okay. Yay. Hello, where is he? I don't see him. Hello, I'm Jordan Fish. I'm Jordan Fish.
Oh, Mom, could I do that?
I'm wearing a Christmas hat. Oh god, little happy faces. Everybody's stuck under the door. McDonald's balloons stuck everywhere. They still look delicious.
It would be helpful if you could help me not go around with your bloody tablet.